Hey guys, a quick shout out to all my Patreon supporters. Really appreciate your contributions and show of support. For those who wish to consider supporting my work, links in the description below. Now on with the video. Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Shangri-La Rasa Sayang Resort, an upscale seaside resort located in the Batu Ferringhi district on the island of Penang, Malaysia. The resort is almost 50 years old but underwent extensive renovations in 2004. Most of the interiors and furnishings look relatively modern, though certain aspects, such as the architecture, might give away the resort's true age. Guests are warmly greeted at the drop-off foyer. The lobby is clad in extensive wood paneling and features Southeast Asian-inspired elements. We'll be checking out their 42 square meter Garden Wing Deluxe Sea View room. Immediately to the right is a fabric-wrapped bench for placing your luggage, opposite to which is the bathroom, which comes with a single vanity and is well stocked with Shangri-La toiletries. There is a separate shower cubicle, but no rain shower, and the shower head is not detachable. Lastly, the bathroom includes a bathtub. Moving on, there's a countertop with complimentary bottles of water in recyclable glass bottles, as well as local snacks tucked under a traditional serving lid. Underneath the countertop, you will find coffee and Shangri-La tea sachets, glassware, and an electric kettle. There is also a mini fridge. There is a 50-inch LCD TV with a wide selection of channels to choose from, including HBO. The plush king-sized bed was comfortable with no complaints. Next to the bed is a sitting area that seats 4, with a glass-topped coffee table. There is a ceiling fan for those who prefer natural ventilation. And lastly, a private balcony with a 2-seater dining set. Perfect for enjoying a cup of tea while taking in the surrounding greenery and nature. Moving on to the hotel amenities. The hotel features a sizable swimming pool, as well as a private beach for resort guests. There is an abundance of recliner chairs facing the sea. The beachfront extends a considerable distance, offering guests plenty of space to relax. The spa is featured prominently in the hotel's marketing. Lastly, there is a gym with floor-to-ceiling windows facing the gardens for plenty of natural light. The hotel offers a breakfast buffet featuring a wide selection of food choices. From Indian cuisine to Western favorites and international items. Bread and pastries, salads and fruits. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Shangri-La Rasa Sayang Penang. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.